Hello everyone, once again I welcome you to Constech Academy. Let's move on to lesson 2 where we'll design our general info sheet. So launch your system. So I've asked you to add your picture, which I did. You also add your picture. Okay. So without wasting my time, we'll just copy the whole of this, Control C to copy, then you come to the sheet tab, click on it, then it will be here, and then you come here. Okay, let us not copy. We'll design from scratch because let us not copy. So we'll design from scratch. Okay, so this is click here and just name it general. Click here and delete whatever is there and write general info. Okay, so select this. Now here will contain some details, so I will select here and then I will expand it. Okay, I will expand it to the size I want. I will expand it so much to the size I want. To this side is good. To this side is good for me. Okay. This side is good for me. So now, let me increase a little bit again. It's okay. Now, select the whole of here. Select the whole of here to P. Okay, let's start from select the whole of here. The whole of here to P. And merge and center. Do the same thing. Merge and center. So just come here and copy. Control C to copy. You come here, Control V to paste. It's not going to work. So come to view and enable and then you paste it here. So let's go back again. Control C to copy. You come here and paste it. You do the same thing. Control C to copy. Control V. You paste it here. Now you can come here and choose the formatting. Just come to home and click on this button which is called the format painter. Click on it and come here and select it. Okay, but before that, click on merge. It's supposed to select the whole of this, but it didn't do that, so don't worry that. Let's just merge and center. It's okay. So here I will bold it like that. So it's okay. It's not bad. So we'll copy this. Okay, let's copy the whole of this. Control C to copy, and we're going to paste it inside here. Let it go. It's okay. Okay, so it will be on the 5. Okay, let's come here. Let's expand the 5. Now let's put it here. Let's undo that. I want to check something. Let's undo that. So let's better increase the 4 rather, so that we'll put it at the 4 section. Okay. just to make our work look nice. Okay, it's good now. It's good now. It's good now. It's good now. It's good like this. So come to the 5 and then expand it. Then give it your color, the color that you use. Maintain one color, okay? It will give it a very nice design. Maintain one color. Don't be changing the colors. So I will select you. I will select to R, merge and center, and I'll write the general capital letters. General info. Okay. General info. General info. Now let's proceed. I didn't type the general word. I'll use this font called this font, and I'll increase it, I'll bold it and put it in the middle, and I'll give it a white color. Okay, a white color, and increase it to 12. That's nice. Then I'll select the whole of here, to R, merge and center, and I write provide your school and class details provided in the spaces below. So I will select this and bold it. Now come to the 7. Come to the 7 and expand it. Okay, expand it like that. Then we're going to use from 8 to 14. 8 to 14. 8 to 14. I want to give it the same color, this color again. Okay. Even in addition to the 7. Okay. That's nice. So here, we'll put our school logo at where the L is. So I will select here. So I'll select from M to O, and I'll merge and center. Okay, I'll merge and center. I'll now write the school logo. School logo. I'll use my Tahoma font, size 12. I'll make it white, I'll bold it, and I'll put it in the middle. Now, from 7, I'll start. From 8, I'll write the 1, then 2. So I will select the 2 of them so that it will do the auto numbering for me. Okay. So I'll come to select the middle one, middle. Let's close it small. So I'll give it a white color and I'll bold it. And I'll make it 12. Okay. Now let's come here. I'll write school's name, motto, location. Sorry, I want these things in capital letters. Okay. So I have postal address, contact, email address, if the school has an email, then head teacher's name. So I'll select the whole of this. Select the whole of this. But before that, let me select the whole of this. Select the whole of this. Okay. And go to the border, bottom border. Click here. And go to more borders. Then I will select this one. Then I'll give it a color. Let me see that color. It's okay. Select. Let me see. Okay. Let's make it white. So select the whole of this and make it 12. Okay, so from here to here, we just merge it. Okay, so I will select the whole of here. My hand will be on control. Control. My hand will be on control. Then I'll click on merge. Okay, so it will merge everything for me. So I'll just select it and go to more borders and use the same color that I've used. For the postal address and contact, I'll change that bag. I'll change it to white. Then from here, I'll select control and I'll select this one in addiction. Then I'll give it a dark, not very dark. Something like this. If it's not okay for you, you can change it, okay? Do what you feel is okay. Okay. Okay, I prefer it like this. So now we are going to lock this place to prevent. Now use insert your logo. I already have logo here, so this one I'll just Ctrl C to copy, then I'll paste this one here, paste it here. That's what I want. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and I'll put it here also. Okay, now I'll Ctrl V to paste, and I'll put this logo here. Before I do that, I'll select here and give the same border that I gave. Okay, so I'll select, I believe I selected this one, so I'll say okay, and I'll give the same border. I hope you are following. Yes, so I'll give only the outline. That's all. Now I'll make this place white. So I'll put my school logo here. Okay, I'm very okay with this. So from 15 and 16, I will still give it that same color, this color. Okay, my logo should cover the whole of this. Yes, that's nice. So let's proceed. Now from 17, we'll leave it like that. Now let's come to 18. We're going to expand 18. Expand it and we'll give it that same color. Okay, so here, let's do something. Select the whole of here and merge and center, and select this one. Write class information, school information rather. School information. So give it a bold it, increase the font size to 16. Let me see. 16 is okay. 16 is okay. So now change the color to something like this. So I'll copy the whole of this. I'll copy up to 6. I don't want to redo it again. Ctrl C, and I'll come here, select the paste option, and I'll select paste. Okay, here I'll have name of class, name of class teacher, I'll have number on roll, I'll have number of subject, I'll have academic year and term, I'll have term total attendance. I have date vacated. Next term begin. So these are the information. So I'll just select the two of them, and then I'll bring it down. It will give me the counting. So I'll do format paint and select this one. Okay. So I'll use format paint and do it for all of them. Okay. So here I'll select here to here, and I'll merge and center. I'll select the whole of here. My hand will be on the control key. I'll select the whole of this one by one. Take your time and do it. After you're done, click on merge and center. It will be done for you. So here I'll select them and I'll give it a nice color. Let's go to more borders. Scroll down, come down, more borders, and then let's give it this black color. Let's select this one and it's nice. Now let's do something. Let's expand this to, just want to expand it to it should accommodate to accommodate here, but it's not bad. Okay, it's not bad. I prefer, let's do that. So what I need to do is, let's do this correction. I will undo this work. I'll click undo. Instead of me to start from here, I'll start from here. Okay. I'll remove I'll say no borders. Okay. So now I'll start from this place rather. Okay. It's supposed to be like that. So I will select the whole of this and I'll say no borders, and I'll select this color. Okay. So now I can now proceed. Let me come here, format painter, and I'll use it here. No. Let's forget about it. Let's undo. So let's do it by ourselves. Let's go to bottom borders. Go down, more borders, and select a nice color. And I'll select this one, and I'll select this one. Okay. So I'll do the same thing. More borders. Okay. So select the whole of this and make it white. And put this one here. Okay. Depending on you, I prefer, because of the color of my distance. So Okay. So now the whole of this place, the whole of this place can have this color, the color that you use over here. Okay. By the way, let's come to 29 and expand it. Expand 29 and merge it from here up to here and merge and center. Just write your details. Developed by Constech Academy. Okay. So select it, give it a bold color, increase the font size to 12, and give it the color that I'll be using. Give it this color. Now come to 30. Select 30. Your hand will be on Control key. Then I hope you're getting. Select 30. Your hand will be on Control and Shift key. Then down arrow key. So right click and select hide. So we'll come here. From X, your hand will be on Control key and Shift key, then your right arrow key. Then you click on this place, right click, and you select hide. Now we are going to by default, but before that, let's do something here. Let's take and let's go to insert, go to illustration, go to shape, and select this shape, rounded corners. Okay, give it a nice color. I'll prefer green. And I don't like the outline. I'll put it at no outline. You can give it an effect. You can give it a shape effect. You can give it an effect. It depends on you. So I will give this effect, and I'll write there clear class data. So select all. You should be at the middle, and you bold it. So you can expand it small. Now we are going to write a VBA code. If this is your first time of using this application, your developer tab will not be enabled. If it's not enabled, go to File and go to Options. Then go to Customize Ribbon. And you check developer tag. You check it. When you check it and you click on OK, the developer tab will appear for you. I hope it's clear. So without wasting my time, let's proceed. So right click and go to Assign Micro. Then delete whatever is here and just write clear class info, and come to MicroWorks. You come here and you select the name of the workbook. Okay, then click on new. It will open this VBA window for you. So first of all, we want to declare a variable which will stand for our message box result. So anytime you want to use a variable, you have to declare diminish it. So in Excel it's called dim. So dim, I'm going to use dim A as VB message box. It's here, VB message board result. Click on it and press the enter key. So now I have declared the variable A. So I have to assign what did I want this variable A to do. So A is equal to message box. Message box. Then open bracket, quotation mark, double quote, and then do you want to clear the class info? It's a question. So bring your double quotation, then you bring your comma, then it will be VB yes or no. So what we are saying is that when the user click on this button should bring a message box, and this message box should contain do you want to clear the class info, and this message box should have what is called a response. That response will be yes or no. So I'll add plus what? It's a question, VB question. And I'll put double quotes, and it will display this question, clear class info, and then I'll close the bracket. Now, where do you want to clear? So we call it range. So let's click here to go back to we want to clear the whole of here. It starts from what? C what? C19 to what? The last C19 to what? J27, the beginning and the end. Okay, I hope it's clear. C19 to J27. So I'll go back to my developer tab and click on Visual Basics. So I'll say range. That's the range, bracket open, then the cell name C19, it should be in capital letter. C19 is to, it's a range, so is to what? C19 is to J27, then brackets, you bring your quotation mark, double quote, and you close, dot select. Then it will select that range for you. And what do you want to do? There's an inbuilt function that does that. It's called selection. So selection, after you select, what should the selection do? Selection dot. The function that clear content on cell is called clear content. Clear contents. I don't know if you are getting me. So first of all, we can go ahead and even say message box without declaring it as a variable. At the end of the day, it will work for us, but we don't want that. Those of you who have been to my class who understand this, but I want everybody to understand. Okay, it is my aim that before this lesson ends, we'll have much knowledge about it. So anytime in programming, you need to diminish a variable. You have to state a variable and assign it a particular function. So I have declared A as VBA message bot result. It should give me this result. And what is the VBA bus, the message bus? It should give this question. And this question should have two response, yes or no. If the person say yes, it will clear this range of cells, cell C19 to J27. You should select this and it will clear. The selection dot clear. So let's save it. Now come here. Let me input some details here and see how it will do. But before that, come here, select the whole of here and go to home. Go left align. And you make it should be 12. And it should be black. I want a black color. Yes, black. So auto. So you bold it. So come here, go to data. And go to look for this under the data tools. Go for data validation. Click on it. Then you come to settings. Under settings, go to allow. Under this drop down, click on it. And go to list. Or better still, we are supposed to select some details from somewhere, but don't worry. So class, you can write, let's write basic 7, basic 8, then basic 9. The system you are developing for is for one single term. Okay, one single term. After you have gotten the idea, you can develop it for 3 terms. Okay, and it's for one class. Okay, so you come to then give an input message right there. Notice, give it a notice, select the drop down arrow, select the drop arrow to choose the class. So click on OK. So by automatically when you click here, class will come. So you can input some teacher's name here. I can put some details here. Okay. Make it dates. So come to home and come to general and make it short date or long date. It depends on you. Okay. So here we can. What did I select? It's supposed not to that. So let me undo that. Select these two and you go to general and give it a long date. Okay. So let me give some dates, a random date. Okay, so this is it. So immediately I click on this button, it will clear whatever is here. See, this is a message result box. That's the info, clear class info. Do you want to clear? Say yes. So it has clear. I hope you now understood the functionality. So let's select this and give it that same border. So now we will just come here and we hide our formula bar for now. Let's enable our formula. We will hide this one. Hide this. Okay, let's hide it. Now, there's one thing I want us to do. Here, I want us to prevent users from touching here. So here, if you develop this software and you are about to sell it, the user or the buyer will provide you these details. So you are going to lock it. So by default, all cells are locked. So we want to by default, all cells are locked. So here, when I come to protect cell, and I'll just say select. You should only select the unlock cells. So unlock. So this is already locked. So we want to unlock this place. This is where we want the user to manipulate. Okay. So you select the whole of this. Control 1. Then you go to protection. Then you click on lock. Put it at uncheck it. Then click on OK. So by default, we have unlocked this place. When we lock, so come to protect and you select and check this one. Select unlock cell. You only select the unlock cell. Then you put on your password. Okay. Put on your password. Please ensure the password you put there, you remember it. If you don't remember it, and you forget the password, it will be very difficult for you to retrieve it. So for now, I will put a simple password. If you like, you can just leave it like that. So I will leave it like that, empty. So you see that this place is locked. You cannot do anything. It's only this place that the user cannot change the logo, cannot do anything. So thank you very much for your time for this class. Before we proceed, let me unlock this cell again. Let me unprotect. It's left with something. So we will format paint. Go to home, format painter, and we will select to here. No. Undo. Okay. Select the whole of here and merge and center. Okay. Then you just type in class information in capital letters. Class information. I want the same formatting, so I'll select this one and go to this place called the format painter. Then I'll click on it. It will give me the same. So I'll Control S to save your work. So you have to save your work. I have saved mine. So we have done this. In the next lesson, we will just forget the whole of this. We will remove it because we haven't linked it. When we will link very soon, when we create all the various pages, we can link them. Okay. So for you to be on safer side, just click a sheet for registration. You click one for subject, and you click one for bill. You create one for attendance, comment, report, and SMS. Okay. Okay, so that's your project work. You showed to me on the platform for me to see. Thank you very much. See you in class soon. In our next lesson, we'll be looking at designing our registration sheet. Okay, so thank you. Make sure you save your work.